अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पाकिस्तान सिंगल विंडो क्या है? मुझे बहुत सारी जगहों से इसके बारे में कॉल्स आ रही हैं, बहुत सारे इदारों से पूछ रहे हैं कि इस बारे में बैकग्राउंड गाइड कर दें। तो मैंने मुनासिब समझा एक छोटी सी वीडियो बना दूँ। तो इस बारे में एज ए सिग्नेटरी टू द WTO's ट्रेड फैसिलिटेशन एग्रीमेंट 2015, Pakistan has notified the establishment of a national single window as a Category C commitment with effect from 22nd Feb 2017. The National Single Window is an electronic portal that allows parties involved in international trade and transport to lodge standardized information and documents using a single entry point to fulfill all import, export and transit related regulatory requirements. If information is electronic, then individual data elements need only be submitted once. To implement National Single Window, the Government of Pakistan has promulgated the Pakistan Single Window Act 2021 while declaring Pakistan Customs as the lead agency. The Pakistan Single Window Company, established by Pakistan Customs as a not-for-profit or company under Companies Act 2017, has been designated as the operating entity under the said Act to develop and maintain the PSW portal in collaboration with 77 different public sector entities involved in regulation of cross-border trade in Pakistan. PSW will digitize the process related to regulations of international trade in the public sector, which will benefit economic operators like importers, exporters, freight forwarders, clearing agents, shipping companies, transporters, etc. by reducing complication, costs and time in achieving compliance with such regulations. The implementation of Pakistan Single Window will also enhance government control and transparency by creating a national electronic trade and a logistics platform. The Pakistan Single Window will help Pakistan integrate better into the regional and global single window systems. It will facilitate integration into global value chains and enable Pakistan to become a hub for regional and international trade as well as transit. Pakistan Zindabad.